Good morning, students. I'm Dr. Krishna Man, and this is my YouTube channel CBSE Tech Talks. And today I have come with the program swapping the value of two variables or swapping two numbers. Now, swap means exchanging the values. If A is 5, B is 10. So, after that, B will become 5 and A will become 10. So, let's start with the coding. So very first statement will be comment statement. Program to swap two numbers. So first of all, the very first thing is that we should have both the numbers with us whom we want to swap. So let the identifiers be num1 and num2. So num1 equals to, I want to get value from user at the time of running. And the value enter is always taken into the string form. And we need to convert that string into int. So I have to take nested functions. The inner function will be input and the outer will be int. So int input, and the message you want to write on the screen so that it can be more interactive and the user can write the exact value. So enter first number. So this is going to ask for first number. Close the parenthesis of the inner function and then close the parenthesis of the outer function. Now let's go for the second number or second identifier. Int input. Again here I will be using enter second number. So I have taken both the numbers from user. After this, I want to display original list what the number 1 and number 2 are. So print statement for that. You may write original values or original numbers. Choice is yours. Original numbers. Now there is more space given here. You may reduce this space. This is totally up to you how you want to display. So one space. Close the parenthesis, but it has to be closed after writing the complete print statement. So I have used quotes. Then I want space before this colon, and even I want one space after this colon. Now I want the value of num1 as well as the value of num2 to be displayed. Then after this I want to swap. So in Python we have multiple assignments, so we will assign swapping both the values in single statement. So what I will write, num1 comma num2 equals to num2. Now what is going to happen in this statement? The very first state variable which is on R side, R value, you can say first R value will assign to first L value and second R value will assign to second L value. It means I'm making it clear more. Now num2, which is the first variable on the right hand side of equal to sign, will be assigned to the variable num1, which is the first variable on left hand side. Variable and identifiers are interchangeable. Same goes num2, the second identifier on right hand side of equal to sign will be assigned to the second variable on the left hand side of equal to sign. So the value of num2 will be assigned to num1 and the value of num1 will be assigned to num2. Now in the other programming language, if you have some idea, this is not working. This is not going to work in the other programming language. It works only in this. Okay, after this, it means the swapping part is done. So we need to print the values after swap. So after swapping, okay, after swapping. Okay, so after swapping, what happened? So we will be displaying both the values. What is there? We will continue with num1 because now the swapped value is in num2, num1 and num2. It means the output of this num1 and this num1 should not be same. The output of num1 should come here as num2 and the output of this num2 should come here as num1. Am I clear to you? After this coding is over here, so we need to run the coding. So we have to click on run, under run module. It is going to ask you want source must be saved. So I want to save in my D drive. So I want to give swap name as a function name, swap. Already one swap is there. You want to replace, yes, I want to replace that. Now the first number, let's take 11 and let the second number to be 22. Now if you see here original numbers 11, 22 and after swapping 22, 11. Is it clear? So this way we have swapped the values. If you see here in both the cases num1 is displayed in original as well as after swapping and the second identifier is num2. But if you see here the values are swapped by this statement. So this is very easy in Python. You can have more than one assignment. The first value is assigned to the first variable, second value is assigned to the second variable. Okay. Students, I would like you to like and subscribe my channel so that you will be the first one to receive the videos uploaded. And please do share with your friends so that even they will be benefited. So see you in the next video. I will be coming with the next program using conditional statements, that is if statement.